classrooms in your community.
Okay, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but it's almost time for the kids to go back to school. The kids out there are going, what? The moms are going, yes. And the health department says, we're ready to help you get there, because we're very happy to have Joey Pfeiffer, Ezekiel Garcia. They are here this morning with the Hamilton County Health Department, and they are once again putting on their back to school, they say, event. I think you're going to have to start calling it a bash.
We might have to, honestly.
So y'all did this last year. Was it your first year last year?
Last year was the first annual. This is our second annual.
Okay, so it's July 24th, and we're going to talk about what you experience when you go, but they were just telling me you thought you would get 100 people. How many did you get?
Yeah, so we had over 1,000 people show up to our event. We were just so impressed by the response that we got from the community, but we had such a great time. It allowed us to get to know our community and them to get to know us. So yeah, it was a great event. We've had to make some changes this year.
To be ready for the crowd.
Yeah, yes. Absolutely.
So you're both sitting here with backpacks in your lap. So what happens at the back to school event?
So the main reason we do the back to school event is to kind of make it a one-stop shop for families to come in, meet the health department programs that serve the families in our community. We also offer up the school required childhood vaccines. You can come and get those that night, as well as the free backpacks that are going to be filled with school supplies this year. And they're filled with over 15 different items of school supplies.
That's a savings.
Right, and then they're also doing free food from local food trucks, free snow cones, free those vaccine records that you need to turn into the school. All of that's going to be on display and available for the community, so they can come out and get a lot of things checked off their back to school list.
You know, I kind of did the eye roll of the kids are saying what, the moms are saying yes. Truth is, when my kids were growing up, I hated to see them go back to school. I loved having them home for the summer, but it was always exciting. Getting ready for a new school year should be a lot of fun.
Absolutely, and that's the plan. We want to make it an exciting time, so why not be able to get a few things checked off your list while having fun with your community?
Okay, so I'm talking to you today, Ezekiel, with a cough drop because I got sick last week and I cannot shake it, and I think I am one of many. So when you're talking about getting your kids ready health-wise to go back to school, it's really, really important to talk
definitely.
to people.
And so that's why we're going to have nurses ready to vaccinate your children. They're going to be there ready. They're going to have a whole section. So if that's all you need to get done, we're going to be open late, so you can go and get your shots done. As well, you can get your shot records, get everything ready to get back to school.
So if let's say you have your pediatrician who has your shot records, it's easy to forget as a parent where you are on your MMR and all the things. So did they need to come with that shot record to the health department, or you have a way to access it on
we
your
have a way to
own?
access that in the system, and we can print that out for you right there. And they're absolutely free to print those out, as well as we're offering birth certificates, because you'll need those as well.
Okay.
Those do have a $15 charge, but that's no big deal. Get them printed in 10 minutes and get back to enjoying the event.
The event is July 24th.
Yep.
Obviously, it's an evening event.
It's 4 to 7 p.m.
Okay.
So the health department will actually close at 12 to get ready for the event. We'll have a just-in-time training for our staff, feed them, and then get ready for the event set up. We have decorations, photo booths, DJ, Kiss FM will be there.
Wow.
And so we're really going to make it a fun night for all the families.
Is it geared towards a certain aged child?
And everybody needs vaccines, and everyone is, mainly 0 to 18 is getting ready for those school and daycare, so anybody can come. If you have kids, show up and we'll be glad to help you.
When you say vaccines, most people stick to a schedule, but sometimes there are ones that are like 6 years apart or something. You forget that you need them. What are the chief ones that people tend to need when they come to you? Do you know?
I mean, the biggest thing is definitely getting your MMR vaccine and COVID, flu, all of that, and so we do have all of those available at our clinic. And if you don't know where you're at in the schedule and you don't even understand the schedule, our nurses are there to help you walk you through that schedule and show you what it looks like.
Is it just the vaccine side of the health department that's going to be represented? Because I know y'all do so much.
We're
Absolutely
going to have
not.
all of our departments out there, so you'll be able to meet what our departments offer, get to talk to them. And this is what's great about this event is it opened up an opportunity to even engage with our community through social media. We had a lot of residents call us, text us, and just ask questions about what we offer. So this was a great opportunity to get to know our community and then to get to know what we offer them.
It's almost difficult, I think, to even know what all the health department offers because there seems to be no end to it.
Right.
So it's really almost like anything that touches your life call them or look on their website, because there's a really good chance they have a resource there to aid you in it.
Absolutely. All of the programs that focus on families and kids are there on display, so why not come out and meet them?
You mentioned the food trucks. Nutrition's going to be a big part too of staying healthy into the school year. So that's a resource too that y'all can provide.
Absolutely. As well as we also have our dental clinic open. You can get on the wait list and get scheduled and things like that.
Okay, is there a reason to RSVP? Do you need to know a head
Nope.
count?
Free for anybody. Come on out.
Okay, so what we have to do is top it. If last year they were expecting 100 and they got 1,000 plus, they really think they got more than that, then we've got to pack a punch this year and do even better.
Yep, we have 1,500 backpacks to give out to the first come, first served kids.
Do you need help stocking them? Do you have
Nope.
what you need?
We've got our staff. We've got everything ready to go. All of the supplies have been delivered. Now we just have to stock them.
Okay, straight A's this year for all the kids going back to school. We'll see you there then at the Hamilton County Health Department's back to school event that we're calling a bash, July 24th, 4 to 7.
Yep.
Anything that you might need for your own life, even if you're not going back to school, contact them, health.hamiltontn.org.
Absolutely.
Want to win some cash from our forecast? Enter our 3-degree guarantee contest. Every time the Local 3 Storm Alert team gets the high temperature right, we'll add $10 to the jackpot. At the end of the month, someone wins the whole thing. Only from Local 3.
Whether it was walking off as champions from the big game, planning the perfect party, or finding the most delicious escape. For 40 years,